Hi, welcome to the Free Will channel, and we'll be doing an unboxing and an analysis of the new knife that I just got. I'm really thankful to this company because I had a knife of theirs. Oh, that's not okay. Well, that's not the color that I thought I was getting. I mean, that looks more like a gold than a tan to me. Maybe it's my eyes. Maybe I'm getting older. Let's see what else we got here. Um, anyway, I mean, I had one of their knives, and the liner lock safety, it had failed, and I don't know if it was a spring or manufacturing defect or whatever. Knife made on Friday. Somebody's wanting to get home, and you just got to get that taken care of. It's nice and smooth. Okay. But anyway, that knife folded on me, and kind of cut up my knuckle, and it kind of pissed me off a little bit. So I threw it in the junk drawer, and I was kind of busy at the time anyway, and I didn't really have time to be dealing with all this warranty crap and try to call somebody and all this stuff. I was painting the picture of what was going to happen with trying to get a warranty on a knife that you buy. And that was all unwarranted fear. Or, because I called them up and they said, well, hello. And they were nice about it. And I said, well, I got a knife that folded on me. And I think it might be, it's nice and smooth. I like that. And they said, oh, well, I'm sorry. And I said, well, it's not your fault. I should have been paying more attention, right? But she said, you know what? Our warranty is actually a pretty simple process. You just go onto our website and you can print off the. This is not spring assisted. Um, that little ting right there gets in the way. I didn't kind of plan on that when I bought it, but I do kind of like it because I don't know. It actually kind of looks like a spear. I mean, you could strap this to a stick and do some work with it. Um, anyway, you can print off our warranty paperwork, and we can and send the knife to us, and give us a description of what happened, and we'll see what we can do for you. And within 6 days, they sent me a email, and they said, we have given you a store credit. Here's the code, and you can pick out a new knife. I was like, great, that's awesome. So I picked this blade, the Tanto style blade. It is sharp, very sharp right out of the packaging. Those VEF serrations are vicious looking. I mean, they look like huge, like fish scales almost. I don't know if you've ever been cut open by like like those. I think the rockfish. I think they have like these big fins. Like this, it feels like the fin of a fish. Vicious. That's gonna work great for cutting rope. Um, I should. Let's see here. Let me get a piece of rope real quick. Okay, I'm back, and we've got some parachute cord. So parachute cord's kind of a common thing that I'm happening to cut. Uh, I try not to cut it too often because the longer the string or the cord, the more useful it is. You see how that worked out? That's called a daisy chain, and so you can store up your rope, your parachute cord, your electric cords, all this kind of stuff. And the way you do it is really simple. So you're getting a bonus on this video. You're getting some entertainment. So simply, all you do is you spin a loop right there, and then you pass the back side through. almost like an overhand knot, but with a bite. And then you've created another loop, and so you just pull it in, and then you work your way all the way down it, and then it just pulls right out. So anyway, there's knot tying 101 as well. You get a bonus on this video. And let's see here, just mild effort. Oh wow, that's really easy. That's that's impressive easy. Wow, yeah, I like that. That's really, I mean, that's, wow, that's really sharp. So that's cool. Okay, I like that. And let's see here. Let's go with, let's see. Can you see that? Okay, look at that. Oh, takes two on that one. Let's just rock it back and forth a little bit, see what it does. Alright. Yeah. So, yeah, that cuts really well. Can it do it on there? Yeah, it does. Alright, that's cool. So anyway, this is a really cool knife. I do like the handle. I think I'll be painting it. So, not fond of the color. I like a diamond skin, or like a diamond pattern, camouflage. It creates a unique tool, and it's always identifiable. You know, nobody is going to have a knife exactly like your knife. That's a pretty heavy-duty clip. That's like I can barely. I got pretty strong fingers and stuff, but I can barely like pull it away from the body. So that's going to stay on a pocket really, really well. Yeah. So yeah, the flipper, you basically have to hold it at an angle like this, and then reach all in and flip that. So that does get in the way a little bit for that. This has the ability of doing a tip up or tip down carry in a pocket. You got the different holes here, and for lefties you can switch it over to the other side. So this is not a spring assisted knife, but it does flip nicely. I would really not want to get my fingers on those. How easy that cut that's yeah. So definitely, I think when you're closing this knife, or well, any knife, you should really do it two hands. I mean, unless you have to do it one-handed, you should really close it with two hands. I've cut my fingers up a couple times over the years, and it's no fun. Scars aren't that cool, really. So, yeah, the very little side-to-side movement on the blade. I don't feel anything on this, you know, like on a cutting edge force. So I mean that's a great lockup. I'm impressed with the company's warranty service. They top notch. I couldn't have asked for anything better. Except the color. It looked in the catalog online. It looked more of a tan, and to me this is more of like a gold. Not really excited about that, but I'm gonna be painting it anyway, so it'll match my vehicle, and my camp trailer, and my camper van, and my pistol, and my rifle. So anyway, this is a Columbia River knife and tool M-16-13-DSFG, and I think I'm gonna have to get a new camera because I don't think this one's gonna focus in. You're just gonna have to trust me on what model it is.